It's been a while since I've cooked. Well, not that long, but close enough. I made some cheesy egg and sausage muffins. They're very easy to make. It required cooking up a case of the Jimmy Dean ground sausage. I added some onions to that and seasoned it, put it to the side. Make sure you drain your oil if you see a lot of excess oil in the pan. Next, I made my batch. I mixed in 8 eggs, made sure they were blended, added 2 cups of shredded cheese, followed by 2 cups of flour, which I highly suggest that you use the flour that is intended for pancake and waffle mixes. Trust me, thank me later. And mix it all up, put it into the muffin pan, sprayed down into the oven for about 20 minutes, and these golden beauties came out. Really easy to batch, great for meal prepping, which I'm trying to add back into my life. Add into the freezer and just pop into the microwave when I'm out the door. I just need to get up and eat breakfast. So good. And what we're gonna do now is try it out. I got my Pearl Milling Company. We got a paper plate because who got to wash all these dishes? Not me. So we're gonna swizzle that around. Yes. I hate cane syrup, so I only eat pancake waffle syrup. Here's a muffin. Let's get a good look at it. It doesn't smell much. It smells like onions and eggs. But let's break it open. Let's see how it looks inside. Ooh, look at that. Delicioso. All right, now we're gonna try it out. Got a syrup. That's good. Damn it, I did it again. I did it again. It was good stuff. And if you're an onion lover like me, it hits. It smacks. It's delicious. Oh, alright. Meal prep is done for breakfast. I just had to come in one more time because this right here is so good. Why haven't I made this before now? I've done the egg muffins, but I've never done it with bread. I'm really upset with myself. I've never done that. But, my God. It's so everything. That's all you need. I might eat one tonight. Yeah. Good stuff. All right, I'm out.